SPTV I.
What up, homies? My name is Ben, and we're doing some more design work. So let's roll the clip.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. All right, so welcome back. I know in the last episode I said the LAGAMING job was wrapped up. Nice pretty little bow on it. But guess what? I fucking lied. And that's a life lesson for you. Don't trust nobody. He liked the logo a lot. In fact, he liked it so much he asked me to make a couple GIFs for him. One in particular right now, but down the line I think we're gonna be doing a couple more. So we're doing I think it was a new follower or a new subscriber GIF. And it's just his avatar that I've created for him. Walking up, popping a thumbs up. So instantly my mind's going to, all right, I'm gonna have to redraw this guy facing forward. I'm thinking of doing the walking similar to when I did for a GIF for Jaunt. It's another project I did in a different video. You can go check that out. But it was essentially these two knights walking up, but it was framed from the waist up. So I just kind of like swung their arms and bobbed. So that's what I think I'm gonna do here. So I have to redraw. I'm going heads on. He wants him to wink and he wants to do the thumbs up. So I think we just need to draw the hands separately and then foreshorten forearm, and then that will be fine because you're not going to see the hand until it's coming up. So I don't think we have to draw separate hand states or anything like that. And then he's got a wink, so we'll have to do some trickery with the eye too. So I'm going to sketch this up in Photoshop, and then we're going to hop into Illustrator, and I'll make it look all fancy and get it rigged to animate. And then after that, we will hop into After Effects and animate the thing. So let's get going. All right, we're all finished, and you can see the GIF is completed. Below me here, we got LAGAMING, his avatar, walking up. Boom, throws up the thumbs up, gives it a little wink. Pretty happy with it. You know, the only thing I was a bit concerned about was the arms, trying to make it look like they're coming up. I think I pulled it off nicely. Did the classic, you hide the layers until the right moment, so it's to when his biceps are coming up, that's when you make the thumbs up appear and then they come up. I guess we could poke around a little bit and see how I did it. Okay, so kind of just how I rigged it up. I made a null object layer, and I attached all the facial features to it, and then I attached that to the head, because the first thing I always do when I do a motion like that is the torso. So everything's attached to the torso. You kind of get that bobbing up and down, and then when you do that up and down motion for the head, I off-centered it by 2 frames. So you kind of get that bobbing motion, like the head will be slightly off, it'll be off tempo with the torso. And then I did it a further 2 frames off for the facial features to kind of give it that kind of loose, kind of lanky feel, animated feel there. So here's the hands. You can see they're just not there until his arms start to come up. Same thing with his blinking pupil. You just make it appear when you have to use it, a little sleight of hand. So this is the main file, and then you come here with the 400 by 400 pixels, which is the size of the GIF, and I moved it to the side, and then I had to animate, move it to the side, and then have him appear to walk on screen, stop, thumbs up. So yeah, that's about it for this GIF. I'm pretty happy with it. About to send it out to LA Gaming. Don't forget to check out his YouTube channel, and we're probably gonna see more from him in the coming weeks. But until then, let me know if you need any graphic design work done. There's a link to my website down below. You can go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Check out some other sick videos. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one.